Stop right now. Count how many AI subscriptions you are paying for this month. ChatGPT Plus, that's $20. Claude Pro, another 20. 11 Labs for voice, that's 50 more. Your AI video generator, probably $60, $70, $80. I just described over $200 in monthly subscriptions, and we have not even touched your image tools or coding assistants yet. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you how I slashed that entire stack down to $7, not by using worse tools, but by accessing better ones. GPT-5, Claude Opus, Gemini Ultra, the absolute top-tier models, all inside one dashboard that actually outsmarts you on which AI to use. This is ChatLLM by Abacus AI. And yes, they are sponsoring this, but I am showing you exactly why I reached out to them, not the other way around. Open a new tab right now, chatllm.abacus.ai, or hit the first link below, because once you see this workflow in action, you're going to want to build with me in real time. Look, here's the real pain nobody talks about. You finally sit down to create, you need a script, so you use ChatGPT, but for a voiceover, you have to export, sign into 11 Labs, upload, download, drag into your editor, need B-roll, another site. Another render, another download. You spend 45 minutes just shuffling files between tabs, and every single one of those tabs is charging you monthly forever. For creators, especially here in the US, trying to build something real, this is bleeding you dry while slowing you down. Let me pull up ChatLLM. First thing you notice, clean, no clutter. But look what lives here. GPT-5.2 Pro, Claude Opus, 4, 6, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Llama 4, the models you actually want. All native, all instant. But here is the psychological unlock that sold me. It's called RouteLLM. Watch this. I type a complex coding problem, I do not pick the model. ChatLLM picks for me. It analyzes my request in milliseconds and routes to the optimal reasoning engine. In this case, Claude, for the multi-step logic. If I switch to pure math, it pivots. It eliminates decision fatigue entirely. You stop guessing and start executing. Now, let me address something my US-based creators specifically worry about: DeepSeek. It's an incredibly capable model, right? But you're running it on servers in China. For personal projects, maybe you shrug. But for client work or business automation, your IP is potentially exposed. Abacus AI solved this. They host DeepSeek and other open-source powerhouses on their own secure US-based servers, fully SOC 2 compliant. Your prompts and workflows never leave American infrastructure. You get DeepSeek's raw intelligence without the geopolitical anxiety. That peace of mind is worth the subscription alone. Okay, but we're content creators. Text is not enough. We need voice, we need video, we need speed. 11 Labs level voiceovers are built in, not a separate tab. Right here. I type my script, select my voice, generate, download immediately. AI video for shorts, native clean 3.0. Image generation, top-tier models in the same workspace. They use a compute point system. You get 2 million monthly points, which easily covers daily scripts, weekly voiceovers, and tons of video clips without hitting limits. One dashboard, one workflow, one subscription. Now scroll down to the bottom left. See Deep Agent? This is where it gets ridiculous. Most AI tools give you a chat window. Deep Agent is an autonomous developer. I tell it, build me a functional landing page with email capture and make it mobile responsive. It plans the architecture, writes the files, debugs, and deploys. Multi-step reasoning without you babysitting every prompt. Want more control? Abacus AI Desktop gives you a full code editor side by side with your AI. And AppLLM lets you build and host applications without touching external servers. It's a full stack in your browser. And for my writers, freelancers, and students, humanized text helps your AI content bypass detectors, making it sound authentically human. Let's talk numbers. 5 separate tools at premium tiers easily cost $250. ChatLLM is $10. And because you're here from this video, it's just $7 your first month. That's an indictment of how badly we're being overcharged elsewhere. Link is in the description and pinned comment. chatllm.abacus.ai. Test the RouteLLM routing. See if I'm wrong about the workflow speed. Drop in comments which model you end up using most, and I'll catch you in the next one.